Joel is first to attack the Pakiaka and rocks.
I got on me Friday. I didn't actually see it until I put my raku down. Took it, I was like, fuck. Stupid fella, man. The grip was pretty hard. Because on the first one, I started to lose the grip. And I tried to pick it back up. Pretty hard, man. In the biceps, really, was okay. The first one and the second one was okay when I come around to the Rotorua, but fatigue started to kick in. Normally you can fly through those, but with that extra 20 kgs or something, it's pretty hard. I couldn't think straight. I wasn't even looking at the ground. Just kind of got too complacent, really, and thought I could, okay. Well, I only got 4 to go. And then next minute, I know, I was pretty gutted. I was wishing to Matutaki, just keep it on the down low, please, for me. But as soon as I heard him say it, man, I'm sure I just nipped it. I didn't even move it.
Oi! Hey! Oi! Hey!
Come on, Anna, get up. To go. Owena is next to test the Pakiaka.
Oh my God, hard, man. I had set myself a goal, don't touch the stick. That was my only goal. Like, I know everyone at home will be like, I can do that right, but they don't know what the warm-up we have to do before this. I mean, Reuben is pretty fit, Whare's real fit. I can guarantee you that not even them, they're not even at 100% by the time we hit this. Makes the challenge worthy. Quite hard to try and twist your body, and because you know one side of the rock's quite heavy than the other, and you're holding it a bit to one side, so it starts getting unbalanced as you're twisting. You start like this and trying to do this, and starting to fall this way and that way, and it makes it like 100 times harder than that. And that rock's not like light; it was pretty heavy. I had to start again because I did the wrong footing on one of them as I was getting tired, but at least I achieved my goal.
Ka pai. Pakiaka is today's test. Carrying the heavy rocks adds to the challenge. Raimuna takes his time selecting a rock.
Jeez, man, can I even lift these bloody buggers, you know? 4 of them, let alone, get the first one up. Oh, yeah. I was thinking, oh, God, that was a bit of a mission. First and foremost for me was to look at the rocks to ascertain which ones I thought was the heaviest one. That was going to be my first one, to get it out of the way. Could feel all your muscles come together. And I knew that if I pushed it too far to the left, then obviously I was going to be off balance. It definitely brings you all in and tries to pull you as a toa together. There's no doubt about it. Take my time on this one, man. All I wanted to do was to get through and not touch any of these Pakiaka. When you take the rock away, you're obviously going to be a lot faster, you're going to be stronger, and all of your muscles, I mean, you know which muscles have been definitely worked, but it's going to be a big benefit for fighting. They do develop areas of the body necessary for fighting.
From the start, Doug encounters problems.
Those are big rocks. How can I lift these things? So straight away, oh man, I might as well just go up and wade in the soup. Oh, rough. Just grab anyone and just try not to tap any of the rocky. It wasn't about speed for me. It was just getting through it. Good for your hinanodo, your hand-eye coordination type of thing. And good for fitness. About 20 to 25 kgs easy. Bad enough carrying around 80 kgs, and you've got to go carry a rock that's an extra 20 kgs. Yeah. So there's about 100 kgs I'm carrying around over these Pakiaka. Oh no, I'm wrecked. Yeah, I'm wrecked with that. Just need to do more often, more practice. Yeah, more practice on football.
Make. Kia ora, e ke kira roa, e ke kira. Whare is next and sets a fast pace.
Pretty hard. Yeah, there's rocks where a mission, but it slows you down. Yeah, it was hard to do the Pakiaka, but he had to walk through it instead of rushing, in case you might have hit the stick and start again. Get a bit of a workout, the arms, biceps. It was pretty heavy. Ain't easy. Rocks were getting heavier and heavier for me.
Whare makes a crucial mistake.
I knew I sort of stuffed up anyway, so I knew I had to get to the start again. So I kind of figured that might have cost me the challenge, but I was kind of expecting it, and got through it well. I think I saved the biggest one for last, I think. But it was hard, but that was good.
Kia ora, whare. Papai. Tēnā koe tā.